This is a tutorial about how to use Flippity with Google with books. So what this tutorial is going to go over is how to take a book's quiz and turn it into Flippity flashcards. So the first thing you want to do is go to flippity.net. It's easy enough. You just type Flippity into Google. And for me, it's usually the first one that pops up, flippity.net. Flippity offers a wide variety of different spreadsheets that can be converted into anything from flashcards to quiz shows to crossword puzzles to random name pickers. So I'm just going to go over the Flippity flashcards. First thing you want to do is click on template and make a copy. And one of the things you may want to do is actually save this copy to a location that you can find it. So first thing I would do is move to. Tech failure, almost a guarantee. So you can actually start a new folder. You can title the folder, say, flashcards. And check. And we can move it here. So we can, just to kind of show you that this will update in real time, we can do this. We can save it. Might save automatically. Yeah, let's go ahead and close this, see if it will reopen it into Google. Come over here, go to my drive, Google Drive. Come down to flashcards and open up copy of flashcards, and there it is, an updated table. So yeah, you must not have to save it, just closing it out, it updates in real time. So the next step would be to actually import the questions. This isn't done easily or as seamlessly as I'd like it, but you can open up the YouTube channel for books. Which, getting in most of the key terms in a Google search will bring up the books channel. Click on any video that you want, which will just choose water quality. Come down to the Google Drive. And one of the things that you can do is come over here to, like, say, one of the Quizlets, which all quizzes are prefixed by a 6-, which is the pre and post tests. So you can open this, and you can open this with Google Drive or Google Docs. And what this allows you to do is copy and paste, at least. So the quiz opens, and what you can do is then transfer copy and paste from the Google Docs to the Google Sheet. And we'll just do the first question here. What chemical compound is the yellowish color at the bottom of streams affected by AMD? I'm assuming they mean yellow boy, which is actually iron hydroxides, and is said to make a yellow color, but it's really red. So we can just copy and paste this information. We can throw it into our Google Sheets here. And that's pretty much it. All you have to do now is file and publish to the web. And then all this information will come up, and you'll hit publish. You'll come down here to get to the link, and you'll just right click on it. If you click on it, it'll just pop open. What you'll want to do is right click on it and open link. And then that opens your flashcards in Flippity. and you'll have your flashcards. And that'll do for every one of them. So we can do one more just to kind of drive the point home. Demo. Right click paste. So what characteristics of the AMD present a problem for aquatic life? And their answer is metals and acid. Paste that in the answers. Go ahead and drag these down for color and text color, unless you want to change them. And then we'll republish to the web our new. So it's already published. I guess it updates in real time. So we don't have to republish it every time we change it, which is nice, I guess. And again, go to the link, right click, open link, and then we should have 2 flashcards now. So, yep, what characteristics of AMD present a problem for aquatic life? Very good, and we can flip the card. Metals and acid. So there you go. There's our tutorial for how to import books questions into a Google Sheets from a Google Doc, and then import that Google Sheet that was a template downloaded from Flippity back into a published document on the web, which then could be opened in Flippity and create flashcards. Thank you for your attention.